So let me take you through this tutorial where you learn everything you need to create your own elegant piece. You understand? Yeah, this is a season where we do O and things. So if you are a beginner, here is how you can make a very stunning beaded necklace like this. Are you worried that this necklace might be difficult to achieve? I'm going to teach you, give you a step-by-step guide on how to make this beautiful necklace. It's very stunning. This bead is beginner friendly, right? And it will not take your time. Like before you know it, you've gotten the hang of it. Because one, you can use many beads to make this project. For instance, this is a season where weddings are happening almost on a daily basis. So you can decide to change the beads of choice. In this video, if you notice, I use beads that you normally use for ashebi, for wedding, traditional wedding in Nigeria. Yes, I use this kind of beads for this necklace. And also in another video, I showed you where I used another bead to make this, but they are also bigger beads, right? But you can decide to change the kind of beads that you want for this project. What matters to in this project is how you accentuate your signature design and signature style at the end of the day. Today I will show you this beginner friendly tutorial exactly how to create this elegant beaded necklace with step-to-step guidance. I'll also give you tips on how to also make your own signature style, signature design at the end of the day. So you're not just going to learn the basics alone, you're going to learn the signature style, and then you master the simple method as well as making this project for you anytime you want to make it. If this is your first time, welcome. This is your girl Sharon, and in this project I am trying to dish out simple beaded still DIY tips you can make this season and give to your friends and also keep looking fresh and trendy. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and reach out to your friends that love DIY also, so that you know the phone can go around. Yeah, so let us get into See where your glory lies. The materials that you are going to need for this project, they are very simple. They are not difficult. One, Costanke, you need your beads. And these beads, right, you need, it depends on the occasion that you are going for that. So you decide the kind of bead you are going to pick. For this one, as I told you earlier, I picked these big bogus beads because of the occasion. You understand? Oh, and buttons, yeah. So I was going for an I needed to, like, you know, rock with this and so you can decide to go more formal, you understand, more classy, more timeless, right? You can also decide to go more social and flexible. You know, it depends on the occasion you are going. So pick beads of choice, assorted beads, get crystal stones, anything that catches your fancy, anything that catches your interest. Yes, you are really going to need it for your signature design. Secondly, another thing you're going to need is get a beading wire. Yeah, you need a beading wire. You also need a thread, a beading thread. Personally, I use beading thread for my project because it's easier for me to just get it in my local store here. And beading wire, I have to, you know, go through the ones that they have. You have no choice but to pick the ones that is available. So, shall I get one beading wire and keep? Let it be a colorful beading wire. I have some colorful ones here that I have used over time. So you can get any beading wire of choice. You need a clasp set. You can go for a lobster, the simplest ones. Shall get a clasp and a hook of choice. Anyone will work, right? Then after that, you need cream beads. Cream beads, because you're starting, we want to have a polished finish. We want to make sure that our thing is looking very classy and cool, to hide in and tug in all those areas where the thread might be sticking out. So you need cream bead to stop the beads from flowing and all that. So this one is really needed. You need cream beads, right? And then you need pliers and scissors. Now, pliers and scissors are necessary because your plier, you are going to need it to, you know, crimp the cream beads, right? Flatten it. Scissors, you need it to cut excess thread or excess wire. So now that we have gotten our materials ready, so these are not things that you are going to start planning to get. These are basic things, right? So now that you are ready, you've gotten all these things ready, everything is done. Step one, get your neck length, right? So let's say you want to do a V-neck. Let's say you want to do a round neck. Let's say you want to do a sweetheart neck length. So get that one ready. You can just measure it with something. You know, once you measure, you know what it is. Once you have done measuring it, it gives you an idea of how many beads you can string in. Step 2, designing your necklace. So let's say that you have a plan in mind, right? You don't just want to do the traditional stringing all the monotone beads at the same time. So you want to, twist, change some things and all that. So design it, take your time, lay them on a flat surface and take your time to string in the beads that you want to use. So it's dependent on the beads that you have. So plan your necklace design, lay it out on the order you want. Once you are done, you are ready to move to the next step and experiment with the patterns until you are happy with what it looks like. And that is how, for instance, I didn't want to reinvent the wheel with this project, right? So I had like how many pieces of this necklace, so I just strung the piece the size of my neck length. And you can even do different shapes, like, you understand, to just pick the experiment with patterns that you want. And once you are ready with that, I'm ready to move to the next step to get this thing moving. Step 3, thread your beads onto the string, right? So string your beads, that is all. Following the design that you've created, make sure to leave at each end, right? You leave some centimeters that you are going to use, some room that you're going to use to secure it. Of course, you are going to attach clasps. Unless you are not very sure of the pattern that you are creating, that you want to eventually create, you can leave both ends open. So that once you are done with how the artwork looks like, you can now crimp both ends. Step 4, attach your clasps, securing the necklace. So you need to secure the necklace now. Now attach your clasps by using cream beads. You use cream beads. You just want to have a flawless and finished look, right? So to make a very neat and professional thing, you use cream beads to attach your clasps and crimp the thing well. Use pliers to secure the thing. So once everything is tightly secured, and you trim off any excess beads, any excess wire. But so far you have made a basic necklace. So this is a basic necklace. Now in this step 5 is the signature piece. This step is actually optional. For me, it's optional. This is what makes the bead stand out. This is what makes the necklace itself different from the traditional necklace. Get me, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm trying to include my own signature piece so that it is still what it is. It's a basic project, right? But I want to make it look like this is defining my kind of taste. Now this is where wire comes in. Get wire or get thread too, but let the thread, it will be much better if the thread is a colored thread. We have all these shambala threads here and there now that you can use to make some exciting things to happen. Yeah. You get a colored thread or a colored wire and attach it to your glass. So since it's a wire, you can wrap it around that wire. Now you are going to wrap the necklace. So you are wrapping the necklace round in a progressive manner, as if you are tying something diagonally, right? So you make this progressive diagonal wrap. Yes, you are tying something. So you are tying the necklace round. So by tying it, you are introducing another sort of wavy, stylish and colorful, progression. Yes, it's going to look really different, but fine, appealing to the eyes. So now where it gets interesting is that, you remember when I told you that if you have stones, if you have crystals, that you should still keep them. It's going to come in handy. Yes. Now this is the time. So as you tie, the area that is facing the front, the area that is facing the anterior view, right? So as you tie, once you get to the intersection, you insert maybe a crystal, a very shiny, sparkling crystal. Huh? Then as you move to the next one, just like that, you start sliding them in, or you sliding some stones or some montes, or now let your imagination run wild as you slide this thing in and enjoy the process. It is a very simple, before you know it, you are done with this project, but it is beautiful. It's therapeutic, my people. So the final touch is make sure that you secure the wire, the other end of the clasp. Yes, once you secure that, make sure that your finishing touches are not clumsy, that they're okay. Cut off excess wire and make sure that everything, other end of clasp, is really okay, and that you are done for this particular necklace. And there you have it, your handmade beaded necklace, the one you did by yourself with your own hands. You created magic. you made something happen. I'm sure you're loving it, right? Thank you so much for watching so far. If you're still with me, I really appreciate you. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and let the fun go around so that your friends can also enjoy this therapy that we are sharing here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more DIY projects like this. For now, this is it, and have fun. See ya in the next video. Cheers.